Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to part 13 of the iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the post-apocalyptic edition. Yes, the madmax car from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, if you want to build this iconic movie car along with me, follow this link all the way along there. There's a clickable version below in the description, and that will take you to their website where you can take out a subscription for this 1/8 scale model, folks. What are we up to today? We're on stage 13, which is the front right seat, and there's all the bits we got: the base frame, the base cover, foam, adjustment lever end piece, a lever and some screws. And this is where it's going in your Ford Falcon. Yes folks, the correct side. Nice step-by-step instructions there, nice and simple on how this all goes together, folks. All the bits and pieces there, the lever that goes in to adjust the seat, you've got a screw going in, then you've got your foam insert, clip the pad together, and you're going to end up with a nice little seat base like that. That's what you're going to end up with, folks, and I've got it just up there, and it does look rather sexy. You then got history of Ford Falcon there, how Volkswagen conquered America. This was an exercise in advertising, folks. Any of you that have been involved in the advertising industry will know all of this stuff, how it's all done. Triumph Mayflower there. I got to stay of that, eh? Come on, Bennett. Yeah. All the different factoids there. Buick Riviera, the return of elegance. Does look a rather elegant car, I give it that. And then look at the front, the amount of chrome on this. Imagine getting knocked by that. This was a 1963 brochure. Yeah, absolutely, of the Riviera there. I liked the cars with the big fins and things like that. But what does it for me with this Falcon is the black paint job. It just, yeah, it's got a matte and gloss paint job on it, a two-tone, and it just looks so effective. Right, let's get a bit of assembly done. So we're going to be starting off with this, and we got our little lever that's going on, and that's going to be held in place with a screw. So let's grab that like so, get that in situ. It's going to go somewhere like so, like that. And then we're coming from the inside to screw that in place. So let's get a little bit of oil on that screw, just to help it on its way. Just like that. And then we can try and retain this in place then. Just like that. And then use my finger and try and feed the screw down just in there using my knuckle, like that. Once it starts biting, it'll stay in place, just like that. Okay, make sure you engage the key in there as well, just to keep that in its position, like that. Okay, we then want our foam insert to go in. And you want it with the ripply edge facing upwards, just like so. Just sits in that little recess. And then we want to bring the textured panel up and over. So we want to feed the seat in at a slight angle, push it right forward, and then we're rolling this around the edges so that it catches the moulding of this internal plastic component. Okay, so just ease and squeeze it around and it will start fitting in place, okay? So just give it a little jiggle in a few places just to help it on its merry way. And then that will start conforming then, just like that. Because that's what you want. And we got our little rubber seat end just there. And this is going to go on this little arm there. Simple press fit. Like that. And just whop that in place. And that just finishes that off nicely. Now you can put a little bit of super glue on there, which I'm going to do on mine, purely simply because if anyone's going to knock theirs off, it's going to be me. Okay? But that's what you're going to end up with, folks, at the end of this issue, is your seat base. Just looking rather splendid. Like that. Okay? So, don't forget, if you want to grab this and build along with me, follow this link all the way to the Hachette website. There's a clickable version below in the description. Pop. Also, to help me out, if you can just click the little festa there and subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the bell. Really helps me grow me content. Also lets you get notified of new videos that are going up. Also, thank you very much for coming in and keeping me company. Until the next time, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now. Look at that. Beautiful.